Hello guys, file is open in another program, error in Windows 11 and 10. How to fix it? First workaround is right click on a recycle bin and click on empty recycle bin. This will resolve most probably this problem. The second workaround is right click on a start button, choose task manager, and under processes tab look for Windows Explorer, select it and choose restart task. Click on restart task. The third method to resolve this issue is go to Windows search, type group editor, open local group policy editor in Windows 11 and 10, and here go to the path under user configuration, administrative templates, thereafter choose Windows components, click on select file explorer, thereafter go to right side and choose the option turn off the caching of thumbnails in hidden thumbs.dv files. Find out this option and double click on it to open its properties and choose the option enabled. Press apply and then OK to save the changes. If problem is still, then go to the next, open file explorer and from the top menu bar click on three dots and choose the option view, show more, and uncheck the option preview pane, disable preview pane to fix this issue in Windows 11. Next method is go to Windows search, type file explorer options, file explorer option, click on open it and under view tab always show icons, never thumbnails, make the check against it and apply and OK to save the changes. If your problem is still remaining, then go to the next, right click on start button, choose run command and type the command %temporary. Delete all temporary files in the folder. Press Ctrl A to select all and click delete. Delete one by one all the entries here to resolve this issue. Hopefully your problem will not appear and you will get rid of this issue.